vlog again. Just can't wait to do a vlog again. The life I love is making vlogs for my friends, and I can't wait to do a vlog again. Doing a vlog again. Going places that I've never been. Seeing things that I may never see again. And I can't wait to do a vlog again. Hello everyone and welcome back to The Top Vloggers. As always, I am High and Mighty Joe hanging out with
the lovely cat.
And we have got a great vlog for you today. It's kind of a little bit different than our normal vlog. We are headed to a nature center. It should be a fun and exciting time. We'll see you there. This week's vlog brings us to the city of Kokomo's Jackson Marrow Park and the Kirkendall Nature Center. Well, here we are in front of the Kirkendall Nature Center. Should be a great time. Let's go inside and take a look, shall we?
You know any of them, or you want me to name them for you?
Yeah, sure.
This is a grouse. I think it's actually a ruffled grouse, if you want to get technical. And these are little bobwhite quail. When I was a kid, you used to sit in the evening, you could hear them call. So I think they're more in the south now. They're food birds is what I call them. They hunt for food.
Okay.
Yeah. Of course, a turkey. It's a cardinal. That's our state bird. It's a groundhog in back. This is eagle. I think he's everybody's natural native bird, period. This is a great blue heron. In front, back there is a gray fox. And there's only 20 different kind of foxes in the whole world, and the gray fox is the only one that can climb a tree. This is a American kingfisher. This is a beaver. And back there's a badger, coyote, great horned owl, raccoon. I think raccoons are all over the place, everywhere. This is our bobcat. Around here, bobcat or wildcat. And this is a woodcock, American woodcock, and this is a red fox. Oh, I forgot one. The bird hanging up there is a female red-tailed hawk. He is hiding now. I just cleaned his cage, his water. There's a bullfrog in here. You can see him over here. Part of him anyway.
Oh yeah.
This is a big part of his food climbing up the wall. Do you want me to move the leash so you can see him?
Oh no, I can see him.
Okay.
It's so you can go straight on here, but facing over here.
Possum kelp, information about the possum. One thing I didn't know, they eat ticks, so they are good for something. It's a bluegill. Another great horned owl. This is our tiger salamander. He's a night bird. They look slimy. They're not. He feels like leather. I think he's cute though. Hi. Would you like to touch? He's Randall. Do you ever watch Monsters, Inc.? No?
I've seen it once or twice.
Randall's the bad guy in Monsters, Inc. But they say he comes out at night.
When there's nobody here,
Right.
right?
Well, sometimes he gets in the water, and, you know, he stays in there quite a bit. They shed their skin in the water. Back here we have painted turtles. There's 2 of them in there. And, oh, they're not out. Soft shell turtles. There's one hiding back here underneath the rock. Oh, here's the other one. He's kind of underneath there. They bury themselves underneath the rocks, and you can't find them unless they're ready to. Usually all you can see if they want is they stick their head out. Their necks are about this long now. And then with the kids, the red fox. This is a coyote winter pelt. This is muskrat. They are so soft.
It is soft.
Yeah. They used to, of course they still do, I guess, trap them. Nothing to see along the way. This bear is not from here. He used to be out at the Steeperley Manor, and they brought him and the coyote out about 4 or 5 years ago. These are our eastern box turtles that we let people hold if they would like to. They're endangered around here now. So
I had a box turtle when I was a kid. That was like my first pet.
yeah. Well, they're easy to take care of. That's
I mean, we had a dog that lived outside, but it was like the first inside pet I ever had.
yeah.
It was a box turtle.
I mean, like I say, they're endangered, so you need a license to have them. There's another small one. The 2 small ones were picked up and took home. Then they didn't know what to do with them. And instead of taking them back where they got them from, he's really hiding.
This one right here looks a lot like the one that I had.
Ah.
It was about that size too.
We think he's about 22.
Oh, look at that one.
This one, again, they picked him up and took him out to Critter Corner. Can't sell him because it's illegal to have him unless you have a license, which we do have. Say hi, Ernie. It's Ernie.
Hi, Ernie.
That's Ernie.
Say hello to the audience.
Hi. Anyway, Pat gave him to us since we do have a license for him. And the kids, we had 2, the big ones, and of course we don't name them, but it was Fred and Ethel. Well, the kids didn't know Fred and Ethel, so when the 2 small ones come in, I thought, well, this is Bert. Bert. Hi, dear. Say hi, Bert. Bert's the speedster of the group.
Hi there.
He's putting her down. And one thing I wondered about, they can feel when you touch their shell. I wondered about, because I come and give them a pet, and they do that. And one of the vets said, even though the shell was hard, they can feel when you touch them. I said, hey, I got something right. Would you like to hold one?
Sure.
Just sanitize your hands after you're done. I suggest doing this because the back ends where things happen. Oh, throw my hand. And on down we have a toad and a frog in the last aquarium. That's the toad down there, and the frog is hiding under this.
Hello, Mr. Toad. Hello, Mr. Toad.
He just ate his fill. I threw some crickets in there, and he just sat there and gulped away. Again, you gotta remove the leaf.
I think
Do you want the leaf in the corner?
no, I think it picks him. I think it picks him up.
This is our great solar system room, if you'd like to go in and see the stars. I might tell the kid, look up and see the stars.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Our bean bags we fill with plastic grocery bags. They're very comfortable. It's Kirkendall Nature Center. Aretha Kirkendall. And Jackson World Park was her father, I think, or something related in there. And yeah, I haven't written down. I just work here. But the state or the city took it. You know, that domain. That was her son. He had so many problems. Bless his heart. He was the sweetest young man, and he was going blind, or he went blind. And then he had problems with courts and everything. But he was going in the next day for a sleep apnea test. Went to bed that night and died. And this was his last. He just wanted to go hunting one more time before he went completely blind, and he got this pheasant. And of course they had it stuffed, and she gave it to me to bring out here, and then she had the hot donated for that. So that's I'm glad they put it up. Because he was like, we would see his age. He wasn't that old.
Is there a story about this big fella here?
No, no idea. He came with the building.
He came with the building.
I just know he's not a native. Definitely not a native. Him and the mule deer, they're not natives. The bears from North Dakota.
Tiger muskie, largemouth bass, muskellunge, smallmouth bass, another smallmouth bass, striper, a white crappie,
Jackson Marrow was born in 1849 in a cabin that stood on what is now Home Avenue in Kokomo. He spent his working life in public service for Kokomo and Howard County. At 16 years of age, he obtained a license to teach and was employed for 2 or 3 years as a schoolmaster. He went to the University of Michigan and became one of Kokomo's first college graduates. In 1873, he married Mary Henderson, and they began to farm at this site. 4 years after Mary's death in 1891, Marrow married Myra Bird. Between 1880 and 1914, Marrow served the community in various ways, including trustee of Harrison Township, surveyor of Howard County, civil engineer of Kokomo, and police commissioner of Kokomo. The Aretha Kirkendall Interpretive Center. Aretha Marrow Kirkendall was born on the Marrow farm near this site in 1906 and died in 1991. Her dream was to provide a park to preserve the natural heritage of this area as a legacy to her grandfather, Jackson Marrow. This interpretive center, built in 1997, was funded by the Indiana Department of Natural Resources and the generosity of Delmas Kirkendall, and was dedicated in memory of Aretha Marrow Kirkendall.
Well, thank you so much for joining us here at the Top Vloggers and on this vlog. We definitely enjoy bringing this one to you. It was a great experience to see what a nature center is all about. I've never been to a nature center, so This was definitely something that was new for me, and like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did enjoy it and you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and you can take it one step further and ring that notification bell. It will keep you up to date on all of our future videos.
You can join us on all of our social media websites, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at thetopvlogers. Also, if you'd like to help us reach the top, you can do so by going to www.patreon.com/thetopvlogers. Without your help and support, these vlogs would be almost impossible to do.
And as I said earlier, I think that's going to do it for us here today. We'll see you next time. Until then, Top Vloggers, out.